this is one of the best shows in the country. It's absolutely the best show on the East Coast, and we get such a fantastic turnout of shop owners that really want to come out and see the latest, newest innovations in the industry.
Excellent. So far, good traffic. So far, a lot of people from the tri-state, which we love. And so far, has been an excellent show. Recommend it to anybody.
Favorite part of the show is meeting all the customers, all the potential business, all in one spot.
Being here, seeing hundreds and hundreds of customers.
Has never really ceased to amaze me that they get this much activity in a regional trade show like this.
It's the energy. It's very live. As soon as the doors opened, people started rolling in, and everyone seems very engaged.
The shop turnout is great here. A lot of engagement, a lot of participation.
Love to come here every year. It's a great show.
This is a great market for us. Really good attendees. It's a really awesome show.
They're having good seminars, so a lot of classes, things people can learn from. So it's been very good for us.
It's also nice to see guys from down south, Florida area, North Carolina, Texas, coming up here to the Northeast show.
And this has been a great turnout, great turnout.
I know that this place has turned into something that has far exceeded a lot of people's expectations.
Each year it seems like it's growing and there's more and more exhibitors and people attending.
So it's hard to have that yearly touch and yearly FaceTime if we didn't have a show like this. I mean, it's really, really important to us. So we'll be here. As long as the show's here, we'll be here. Everybody knows about it and they do a great job.